Hi, everybody. Hope you're staying well, staying healthy at home. This is a class that I'm going to take today is on computer application in business, because I feel in the online mode that is the easiest way to take it. In this particular way, we are not very familiar, but we have a lot to learn that how to maximum utilize this particular platform to contact students and to have classes online. So this is exactly not an online class, because there is some connection issue in the online class and all of us have to come together at one time in Zoom or in other Skype based online classes, and there is connection problem. There may be problem in my side, there may be problem in some of the student side. So it is little bit difficult in that sense, in this kind of a scenario. So I have taken a decision to record my class and then transfer this recorded file to you. And if you have any question, you can revert back to me via mail or by any other mode, WhatsApp, etc. And there is a task at the end of this lecture, so you have to fulfill that task and mail it to me. So what I have actually decided to take, there is definitely one benefit in this particular way of taking class, that you can play my lecture time and again to see that what I have taught. Essentially, I'll make these lectures very small, like 10 minutes, 12 minutes video, because otherwise my file size will become too large. It will be difficult to share with you. So without wasting time, today my coverage will be on MS Excel. In your computer application of business, I'll be covering MS Excel and Access. So today I'm starting with MS Excel. The lecture plan, I have an MS Excel worksheet or spreadsheet open. The lecture plan that I'm going to cover today is spreadsheet concept, and then uh, managing worksheets, like how to create an worksheet, how to name an worksheet, saving an worksheet, etc. And cell formatting is an area that will actually focus today, and entering data at the end. So this is what we have actually planned today, right? So what is a spreadsheet? You can see spreadsheet is a kind of special kind of document where basically we enter data in a specified format where there are certain data grids are present, right? Here we are not able to write the text all over the sheet, but each and every place or every particular area that has its own identification. For example, if I click anywhere, say for example this particular cell or grid, then this particular cell is unique in this entire spreadsheet. For example, this particular cell name is called F3. So there is no other F3 column or F3 grid in this particular Excel sheet. So that means if I refer F3, only this particular cell will be referred. So whatever I write on this particular cell, say for example I write my name, then if I write what is written in F3, then obviously the result will be this name what is written on F3. If I write say a number, say 4, right? So whatever is written in G3, because there is only G3 column present in this Excel sheet. So if I write in the next column called 5, so if I write then it is written on a column called G5, G4. Then what is actually written in G4, I can easily trace it, that there is, because there is only one column called G4, one particular place or one particular cell called G4. And if I tell you that if I want to add these two columns, so if I just add say for example G4 with G3 with G4, then my result will be 9. I'm not telling that I need to add 4 and 5. I'm telling that I need to add whatever is the content in G3 with the content in G4, right? And my result is 9. So the uniqueness in this particular spreadsheet concept is that it has address to each and every cell. So that is what is the one unique feature that differentiates spreadsheet with other softwares, like in word processing software. Word processing software doesn't have this address to individual cells, but here we have an address to individual cells. We cannot enter data otherwise, right? We have to enter data cell by cell. So that is what differentiates a particular spreadsheet with others. Now this is called an worksheet where we work, and you can see at the bottom that there are 3 worksheets by default open. Now this is called sheet 1. So if you want, you can rename these sheets, like so. Suppose my sheet name is classwork, right? So I'm doing it like classwork. Second sheet is, say for example, rough work, right? And suppose the third sheet is called say task, right? Task. Okay, so this is what is the concept for sheet, and we can transfer the sheets, we can move the sheets according to the requirement. Now see the basic structure of an Excel very carefully. This particular icons, whatever are given here, right? These are called ribbon, right? So which ribbon is open? Right now the default ribbon, which is called home, this home ribbon is open, and all these ingredients of this home ribbon are shown here. If you want to open insert ribbon, then all these ingredients of insert ribbon will show here. If you want to show the page layout ribbon, then all the ingredients of page layout ribbon will show here. So today we'll come to this particular, the first one, that is home ribbon. If I see from the very beginning, see at the very beginning there are certain common cut, copy, paste kind of things are given. Then there are certain font size, font boldness, underline, italics, size, color, etc. These are given here. Then the next one is the alignment based ribbons. Next one is the number based ribbons, which is very important in Excel, because in Excel we'll work with numbers, and today we'll focus with numbers. And there are certain formatting based ribbons and certain formula based ribbons, right, where we can edit. So first we'll start with the properties of a cell, right? That is very important before we start working in Excel, the properties of a cell. See, when I click on any particular cell, then I right click, right? Then I get format cell, right? When I click format cell, I get this format cell window. What I get in this particular window, I get numbers and category of numbers, then alignment, then font, border, fill, protection. Now this particular window I can get alternatively from the ribbon also. If I click on the numbers, right, I get the same window. Okay, and if I click on the alignment, whatever alignment I want to make, I can get those alignments here also. All right. If I click on the font, whatever fonts I make, I'll get everything here also. So these are connected. So this is one particular template where I can get everything. Okay. So today we'll focus on the number part, right, on the cell and cell property part. That is most important part in Excel. Let me increase the size a little bit. Okay, so right click, format cell, right? The first is general. So general means when we have not done anything, right? No specific number format is mentioned, then it's general. So you have not done anything, so the format is general, right? So you have not done anything, the format is general. The second format, right, what we need to understand is a number format. So when I use a number format, that means whatever I write, right, that will be treated as a number. So if I want to add decimals, if I want to increase the number of decimals, all these are properties of a number, so those properties will come. Suppose I want a decimal of 4, right? So after point I want 4 for this particular cell. So if I write 43, this is also fine, but it will take a decimal of 4 points, right, after decimal. 4 points after decimal. So I can change this to 2, which is a normal, but the property is that now I have converted that particular cell's property as a number property. Okay, so now it has converted to 2. Come to another cell, come to format cell. See, second one is currency, rather third one is currency. And you can see that by default it is dollar, because it is made by Microsoft, so it's an US company. By default the currency symbol is dollar. But when we will be working, in our case, maybe we require INR,